Let's have a quick look at the Evercred Wallet. From my wallet, you can upload and choose files from your desktop. I will pick my medical degree, my residency certificate, and one certificate of malpractice, just so you can see how that looks. So it's detecting, the AI is going to read the credential and determine what kind of credential it is. Found that it was my medical degree, and then it just extracts the actual data and structures it. You can check it for correctness and click save, and then it'll immediately go to the next credential and do the same thing. And you can extract the residency certificate next. Check the data and click save. Now you can see your medical degree that you just uploaded if you want from the wallet. And then also you can select them and you can put in notifications. And with a premium account, you can get text notifications. With a basic account, you get email notifications only. And you can share your credentials with anybody. So let's test that out. Okay, I'm going to hit share. And now when I go to my email, and in the email, it says that I've been invited. I can click the link, and so this is an organization opening the packet that's been shared. So this is the other side of it. So the organization now needs to create an account because you've shared the packet with them. Explain why they're using it. Now everyone can get one access to one credential to start, just so you can see what it looks like. So if you want to use that one packet, you can click unlock, use your one credit, and you can take a look at that packet. And there you have everything. You see the demographics of the person that shared it. That's me. I'm sharing it with myself, obviously. NPI number, etc. You see the number of credentials that were shared. You can look at the Florida license, for example. Kind of look at the image. And there's an activity feed. You can see all the data from the credential. And if you want to see what's been going on or make a note, like you called the GME office and you approved it, that will also show up in the activity feed. Now, the cool thing about this is that in your wallet, this is now the person who shared the credentials, they can actually see that the credential was received and opened and things like that, which is what makes this very unique. And when you look at your own packet, you can see everything that you've shared. And this is, allowing you to understand who you've shared it with. You can actually revoke the credentials if they haven't already approved your packet. You can revoke them so that people can't have them forever. You can also extend it if you want to give them more time, because it's about time that we had a little bit more control over our data. And so this is an opportunity for us to have longitudinal access to our credentials, our data, and to no longer have to do the administrative burden of credentialing.